guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my midweek Walmart haul for you guys. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. So listen, so I need 18 offers for $5 for my midweek. I don't think it's gonna happen. I mean, if I can make you work, I'll make you work. But if your girl can't make you work, I'm not about to be spending too much money to get back to $5. But other than that, what I want to say, we did get a new offer on Flavor Wiki this morning. It's for the Italian. I actually just picked it up right now. I'm at 7-Eleven right now. I got these last time here at 7-Eleven. If you guys have this offer, getting back $8, and they're $4.29 here. So it makes it like a $5 and like 70-cent money maker, somewhere up in there. In my last video, I mentioned being able to get my rewards back, well, when I cash out for Swagbucks instantly, and some of you guys said it has to do with tiers, and the higher you are on the tier, I guess the more extra things you get. And so with Swagbucks, I can cash out up to 7 times instantly for PayPal per month. I believe it's 7. I just used my last one today, so I'll let you know for sure when the new month starts. This is my favorite snack right now. The Dave's Killer. I got these on my 2 hauls ago, and this one is so good. I'm about to eat this right now. It's the peanut butter chocolate chunk. This one is so freaking good. The other one, I got that banana one, I didn't really like. I probably still got them in here too, because I put them in here for a snack. But when your girl is out and she don't want to make no mistakes, she want to stay on track, look, it's still in here. It's probably expired too. I bet you it's expired. Because if you don't plan to succeed, you plan to fail. You plan to fail. It's probably expired. It's hard too. I didn't like this one. It don't even matter. I'm gonna throw it away anyway. Oh, it expired December 2nd of 24. Yeah, this is good. But this is my new favorite one, which is so freaking good. Y'all want to taste test real quick? Y'all want to taste test? If y'all don't believe me, look. This one is so freaking good. It has these big chunks of chocolate in the inside. So freaking good. It has 240 calories. And it has 10 grams of protein, I think. But these, my new favorite. Other than that, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see the workout, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right. So this first deal is on the Kinder chocolate bar. I realized I still have an offer for Walmart rewards for $1.69. So I'm gonna grab one priced at $1.48. Get that back through Walmart rewards. It'll make this a 21-cent money. I'm gonna be grabbing this deal again. Well, this is gonna be a if I don't get on my offers. Snack Club, Fiesta Mix, mango rings, nuts, all kind of crunchy nuts. They're all on clearance for $1.50. You might still have an offer on Flavor Wiki for $5. I did mine in my last haul. And so I'm just going to grab one. Well, if I need extra offers, I'm going to grab one priced at $1.50, getting back $1 on Ibotta. And it'll make it only 50 cents with a limit of 5. All right, this next deal, I wish I could get, but the offer is not available in California. I'll pop up the states that it excludes. And so it's on the Halo Top ice cream. They're priced at $4.68. I'll have a link for you in the description. Making this absolutely free. Really quick, you guys. In the comments, what is one item that you got free rebating that you pay for now? For me, is the Yasso. These are so freaking, I just bought some more the other day. This one right here, this sea salt caramel one, bomb. And it's only $5.23, and it's a box of 4, and you can eat the whole box for 400 calories. I'm sold. This one right here, definitely my favorite. In the comments, what item are you paying for that you got for free? Rebating. All right. And of course, I'm going to grab the Sara Lee ham again. Now, I did notice that I only have it for $7 on Swagbucks. I believe my points, inbox, and tada are all down to $4. I'm gonna go get this really, really fast. It's priced at $8.64, just over a pound. Getting back $7 makes this pound only $1.64. Right. I was looking for the Dave's, and yeah, this store doesn't carry the Dave's killer snack bars. Let me just say, the last time I got them, the peanut butter ones, they are so good. I'm down to the last one that I'm about to eat today. So like, as soon as I get in the car. I'll probably grab it if I'm near the other store where they sell them at, but it's the Dave's Killer Bread Bars. They're priced at $6.57. You want to grab two, you'll pay $13.14 getting back. $6.57 on Ibotta, and then we'll get back $1.50 for each on Fetch. It makes them $1.70 each, which is definitely an awesome deal, especially because they're actually good. Is the Dairy Pure. This one popped back up on Ibotta. It's priced at $4.43. Getting back $4.49 makes that a 6-cent moneymaker. Really quick, I found some of these in the clearance aisle yesterday, and I kind of stashed a few, well, 4, and luckily they were still there today. These are on clearance for 50 cents. You want to grab 2, you'll pay $1. Getting back 75 cents for buying 2 on Ibotta. There's also 75 cents for buying 2 on Swagbucks as well, making them a decent moneymaker. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 on separate transactions, 1 for Walmart Rewards, and then 1 for Ibotta. Right, so next up is the Dawn Power Wash. So they have the refill bottles priced at $4.14. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $8.28, getting back $3.99 on Ibotta to buy one get one free. Bringing them down to $2.14 each. I wish I could find some of those clearance cents, but no. And then the Glade popped back up on Ibotta, getting back $1. We'll grab one at $2.28. There's also $1 on Swagbucks and Checkout 51 as well. And maybe a small money maker if you get both. Well, if you get all 3. And so, yeah. All right, guys. Look, I was here 2 days ago and I found some of these. This bottle right here was way up there and I wasn't trying to climb up there to get it. But it looks like somebody brought it down. But I finally found some for $2 off. It says the liquids are the crystals. I wonder if it would work on the softener sheets. I'm gonna try and see if it works on the softener sheets. Hopefully it does. So I'm gonna try and see if this $2 coupon is gonna work with the sheets. I don't know if it is or not. It says liquids and crystals. So I plan to grab one of these priced at $3.93. It's the 70 count. I'm also going to be grabbing the 200 count, which is priced at $6.97. That 200 count box is freaking massive. So the 2 items is going to come to $10.90. If I can use 2 of those coupons, I'll pay $6.90. I'll get back $2.75 total from my Ibotta, and then a total of 680 points on my points, which is $4.25. To get the point value, guys, or the cashback value at my points, you just divide the points by 160, and it'll make them both free plus a 10-cent moneymaker. So we'll see if that works out. If it does, that'll be pretty awesome. And I'm definitely going to be grabbing this deal again on the Super Fresh and the Blue Sparkle. They're both priced at $4.77. So we're going to grab 1 of each. So the 2 of these is going to come to $9.54. If I can use 2 of those $2 coupons, I'll pay $5.54, getting back $1 for each one I bought, and then 680 points on my points, which is $4.25. It'll make them both free plus a 71-cent moneymaker. All right, this deal here is on the stem. What is it? Insect light thingy. It's priced at $14.48, getting back $10 on Ibotta, brings it down to $4.48. I could have swore I saw these somewhere on clearance. Like I saw a lot of the stem products on clearance, but not anymore. Last but not least is the Axe Fine Fragrances. We posted this deal, was it yesterday morning or was it the morning before? I saw Nicole post this on Instagram and I was like, ooh, let me go try it. So some of them left the gym. I came over here at 6 o'clock to try it. Now someone in the comments of her post said it was only working on the watermelon one, so that's the one that I got. It's priced at $5.97. For this, we had 2 different offers on Ibotta, both for $3, both attaching, which made it a 3-cent moneymaker, and then there's also $1.50 back for buying one on Fetch Reward, so it made it a $1.50 moneymaker, with a limit of 2. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. It's pretty uneventful. I didn't hit my bonus. I didn't think that I would, to be honest. I only hit 11 out of 18. If something magically pops up, then I might just go back and might do something. But as of right now, it's a no-go for me. I thought about getting those nuts and getting like 5 of those and just maxing it out. But I still have been short 2 rebates, and I was just in there like longer than I needed to be for this haul. And so I was just like, if something pops up, something magical happens, you know, then I'll just go back later today and hit that bonus. But if not, then it is what it is. And so as far as the Snuggle, though, coupon scanned perfectly fine. I went to self-checkout, and all my coupons scanned, which is awesome. I only found 5 of those too. I found the 1 today, and I have found 4 yesterday. So hopefully I'll find some more of those. Found the Gardedos, I think that's how you pronounce that, the spicy Italian little chips at 7-Eleven. They were $4.29, so it made that a nice money maker. The Friskies, I no longer have that offer on the sister app, so I only did it on Swagbucks yesterday. But the 2 sets I did today is just 75 cents on Ibotta and 75 cents back on Walmart Rewards. So it made it like 50 cents for the 4. And as like I said before, Walmart Rewards and Ibotta, you're never combining on the same receipt. You're doing separate transactions. And one of you guys had left a comment to be careful. I don't do them both. It's always separate transactions. And if I happen to activate the offer on Walmart Rewards, and let's say I go and they only have 1 when I plan to do 2, I'll just pay with a different form of payment. So I'll either use a gift card, or I'll pay with cash, but a different form of payment than my Walmart Reward app and using Walmart Pay. And so, yeah, but other than that, this worked out pretty good. I did do the ham. That was awesome. It was 1.2, y'all. So it made that 164. Now, when I submitted the receipt on Swagbucks for that, I knew it was going to go down because it already had gone down on My Points, Inbox, and Tada. And Swagbucks, it was still 7 when I submitted the receipt. I did a screenshot, and it's in review now, but it says 4. So usually you'll get credit for what it was when you submitted the receipt, but if not, I do have a screenshot for that. Inkbox, I told y'all if it resets for me, I'm gonna do it. So I just grabbed 1 more. I did that for Walmart Rewards because I already had the offer activated, and I got back 5 for that. What else? Everything for Walmart Rewards went through. The Inkbox, the Kinder, and the Friskies. They all went through today, which was cool. I had bought the Inkbox a couple days ago, and it didn't go through. So I had to contact support. And the lady was so nice. Well, for starters, when I contacted it through the app, the chat GPT or chat AI had me waiting 20 minutes. Look, you supposed to be certain kind of special. All right, you supposed to be super fast. You supposed to be like, here's your answer. Here's your, you know what I mean? But no, they had me waiting 20 minutes. So I had them connect me to customer support, and the customer service rep, she was so freaking awesome. She offered me a 25 off of 45 promo code, which I was just like, that's kind of high. So she's like, I can split it up and do 210 off of 15 and a 5 off of 10. And I was like, thank God. So yeah, so that was awesome. And she still gave me the 25 off of 45. So I'm going to see if I need anything for Josiah as far as, you know, I can get him some shorts and stuff, because it's going to be warming up pretty soon. Get him some more shorts, or get him some chonies or some socks or something like that. That's usually what I do with those promo codes, is just do curbside, or try to find a easy, you know, rebate that I can do for Walmart Rewards. And so, yeah, so when I went back today, I just repurchased it, and it went through. So I don't know why it didn't go through the other day, but it didn't. And I haven't had to contact customer support for Walmart Rewards in a long time, because it's always been going through for me. What else did I want to mention? In my last video, I did the Oregon protein for kids. I did not get credit on Ibotta for that. I had to put a ticket in, and they was like, oh, well, some offers do exclude coupons, da-da-da-da-da. That offer didn't exclude a coupon. We went back. I ain't gonna lie. We went back, you know, we went back a little bit. But I was just like, look, it's not even that serious, because there's so many offers like this one right here. you know, how many razors that I get using coupons on offer exclusive coupons. So it's like, Ibotta, I can't even complain. I can't even complain. You know, I'll give you that one, okay? Chanel, 10. Ibotta, 1, okay? You win that one. But I ended up returning it, repurchased it without the coupon, and submitted to Ibotta, and I got credit that way, all right? Other than that, I think that was basically all I wanted to mention. Well, everything you see here retails $55.22. We had $8 in coupons. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $47.22. My sales tax for this was $224, and then getting back $22.74 from Ibotta. My points is $8.50. Flavor Wiki was $8, and I already did the survey, which was cool. And I still had that bag from last time. I ain't even gonna lie, so I just used that one. Swagbucks was $7.75. Walmart Rewards is $7.44. And last but not least was Fetch Reward at $3. So getting back a total of $57.43 makes this all a $10.21 money maker, which is pretty awesome. Now I did find some clearance I wanted to show y'all really quick, and I needed this like I need another hole in my head. But I ain't even go. No, let me stop. Chanel, stop. I work out every single day, y'all. 7 days a week, and I live in exercise clothes even when I'm not working out. So I come home, I shower, and I put them back on. Well, I put more exercise clothes on, so I can never have too many exercise clothes. And so I did find these Reeboks brand. They were marked for $11, but they scanned for $1. So I got this one, and I was thinking, Chanel, can you fit a small? And I was like, look, it's either small or large. I think I have a better choice. I think I have a better chance of fitting a small than a large. And then this is this one, which this one is a pretty color. It's funny, growing up, all I wore was earth tones. Grays, black, brown. And now I wear a lot of bright colors. And then this is a pretty color too. This peachy color. And they were all for $1. So check your stores. And so yeah, so duty calls. I appreciate you guys watching. If you made it to the end, thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to see a bear for all this snuggle. Let me see a bear in the comments if you made it to the end. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.